CaseWORTH can be interfaced with LexisNexis Total Practice Advantage or Time Matters through our Custom Matter Power View. Select a personal injury matter and the CaseWORTH Power View is displayed on the right. The top portion of the Power View displays basic information from the Time Matters matter record, but this summary information below is actually a live view of the current financial and settlement status pulled directly from the CaseWORTH file. You can open the CaseWORTH file from here and enter new medical bills, subrogation payments, periods of lost earnings, and of course new settlement negotiation details. All of the math will be done automatically and the new totals will be displayed in this Time Matters Power View. You can see the current settlement status here, showing the most recent offer or demand is $775,000 back on September 17th. There have been a total of 2 offers and demands so far in this case. You can always see what the client and firm net would be if you settled today. Notice in our example, the firm net is currently at $310,000. The damage and expense section shows a summary of all the details CaseWORTH tracks, including current medical expenses and future medical expense projections with their present value, past lost earnings, future earnings projections, and their present value, as well as the present value discount interest rate. Next, you see more detail about the medical expenses. The total billed by all doctors, total paid by all subrogation sources, and the resulting amount due are all visible. We also show any discounts on medical bills negotiated by the law firm. The medical expense breakdown is next, showing treatment, diagnostic, and pharmaceutical expenses separately. Next comes the subrogation breakdown for insurance payments made to medical providers. Medical bill adjustments and the cost of collection values are both called out separately. Finally, we have personal actuary information for the client showing his age, retirement age, and how long he is expected to work and to live. To see more detail, print reports, or enter additional information, you simply open the actual CaseWORTH file directly from the Power View. Here in the settlement calculator, you see the most recent offer was $775,000, with a firm net of $310,000 and a client net of $426,000. Let's add a new demand for $800,000. We see that brings the firm net to $320,000 and the client net to $441,000. Save the CaseWORTH file and return to Time Matters. Here's the original settlement status before we edited the file. You can see in the Power View that a third offer demand amount of $800,000 was added on today's date. You can also see the updated client and the firm net of $441,000 and $320,000. This updated information is coming live from the CaseWORTH file. Look at the structure of this lower portion of the Power View. Notice where it starts with a black line, then the settlement status section, followed by another black line, then the damage and expense summary section, and so on. Back in the CaseWORTH program, take a look at the Math Worksheet tab. This screen allows you to build configurable templates where you control the text, the math, as well as the colors and the font styles. This Time Matters Power View template is actually the sample we've been working with in the video. Notice how the layout and colors are exactly the same as we see in Time Matters. You can actually create your own Time Matters Power Views from inside CaseWORTH. Just build a custom template to show the CaseWORTH information you want to see in your own Time Matters Power View. Please contact us for more information.